on, guys? So if you have a Saab 9.3, or I'm sure a 9.3 is not the only car that does this, but one of the big problems with the interiors on these cars, as I notice how dirty my spoiler is here, oops, is the interior buttons. And this is one of the things that I absolutely cannot stand about these cars. Now, this is a 2008 car. This is my Saab 9.3 Turbo X, which is currently getting a downpipe, as you can see. But one of the things that I absolutely cannot stand about these cars is the interior buttons that peel. Now, like I said, you 9.3 owners will know very well, the 2007 and up cars that have the updated interior like this are a bit better from what I've seen so far, but my 03, I had to replace so many buttons on this stupid radio head unit, and it's terrible how fast these peel off and get damaged. So, as you can see though, this one is in very good shape. It's pretty much perfect right here, but over here on the window switches, you can see they're beginning to peel. So, if you are a 9.3 owner, and if you don't want to spend money to buy a whole new button set, you can buy this instead for about $5 or $7 on Amazon and solve the problem very easily. So what this is an enamel paint pen. So this is basically paint in a pen. I'm sure pretty much all of you have heard of these before. But this specific one is from Testers. I actually got this from Chad at SOC. He had the beautiful Dolphin Gray 9.3 that he brought, that he completely just revamped and everything. He used this on that car, and he gave me one and said, hey, you can use it in a video or use it on your Turbo X or your other 9.3 or whatever. If you guys are interested in purchasing one of these, I'll leave a link to Amazon down below. Now, when you buy this, make sure that you buy the flat black. Do not buy the gloss black, or else it's not going to match the buttons. So to get this thing to work, we're just going to start by shaking it up a ton. Just make sure that that paint gets all worked around in there. So if we just start depressing it down a few times, might need to shake it up a little bit more. Okay, now you can see we're starting to get some paint in there. Now, as you can see, we're all good. So now we can go ahead and move into the car now that the pen is ready to use. So as you can see, each button needs at least a little bit of work. Thankfully, nothing is right around this little thing right here, the little picture on there. But literally just cover it up. Cover up all the part that has peeled. I'm sure taking these buttons out is very annoying. Fixing them, I guarantee it's not very easy. So now, as you can see, we have all of the paint pen on there, and now it just needs to dry. Now, this is not going to match 100%, so don't expect it to. It is going to look very good if you do it right. So far, it's looking like I did a really, really crappy job, though. So, yeah, hopefully this will dry up. I'll come back and check on it in a few minutes, and hopefully it looks a bit better than this. So here it is, guys, about 30 minutes later. As you can see, it's not perfect. I think if I would have, you know, had this as a practice run and then done it again, I think it would have turned out much better. But if I really wanted to, I could probably scratch this off my finger and do it again. But, I mean, from here, it looks perfect. It looks like it's brand new. So this is a much cheaper and easier solution than replacing your entire window switch, so, or your entire peeled interior buttons, or what have you. So with that being said, guys, if you would like one of these, a link for the page on Amazon where you can purchase it from will be in the description. Again, $7. Save you a lot of time and money versus getting an entire new button set. So just save you the hassle and the headache of installing them all too. So with that being said, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. By the time you are seeing this, hopefully this thing will be pretty much put back together. I have some free time this weekend. It sucks that I haven't had the available time to finish this yet. But with that being said, guys, I'm going to stop rambling. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Check your body.